Hey everybody, happy Friday. So today, it's very, very important that you get your quiz done, okay? Before we get started with our math work today, we got a couple story problems we're going to answer. I wanted to go through this vocabulary again. Number ones are numbers 1 through 9. Tens are a group of 10 ones. A penny is worth 1, and a dime is worth 10. Okay? One more means you're adding 1. One less means you're taking away 1. 10 more means you're adding 10. 10 less means you're taking away 10. Alright, and I'm gonna show you this real quick, because it's important that we really know dimes and pennies. So before we get started with our math work for today, I wanted to go over dimes and pennies one more time. Okay? So when I have a penny, it looks like this. Remember, pennies are just a little bit bigger than dimes. Okay, pennies are a little bit bigger than dimes. A penny is worth 1. A dime is worth 10. Okay? So I'm going to put up some dimes and some pennies here. What does this represent? So what number is this? I see I have 1 dime. Remember, a dime is a group of 10. So I have 1 10. And how many ones do I have? 2. So what number is this? 12. Okay, remember you can count. You count your dimes as 10, 11, 12. Count dimes by 10s, pennies by 1s. Let's try another one. Say we have, let's do 3 pennies. Let's do 4 dimes. Okay? So dimes are equal to groups of 10. So how many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 4 10s, and I have 3 1s. So what is this worth? 43, and I can check it. I can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. I'm going to do one more dimes and pennies problem, and then we're going to move on to what we're doing today, okay? Say I have 3 dimes and 1 penny. What is this? 3 groups of 10. How many 1s do I have? 1. So what's my number? 31, and I can check it, right? 10, 20, 30, 31. Alright, let's get started with today's math activity, okay? So for today, you need to find a picture that looks like this in the packet, okay? And I'm going to ask you some questions about it. You can write your answers to these questions down, or you can tell your adult your answer to these questions, okay? And you can have them discuss this with you. So I want you to look at this picture very, very closely and tell me what you see. I see a person, and I see that that person's walking 2 dogs. How many dogs do you see, and how do you know? I see 2 dogs, and I know that because I can count them. 1, 2, right? Alright, last question for this picture. How many dog ears do you think there are? Write your answer down, okay? How many dog ears do you think there are? Yeah. I think, well, there could just be 2, because I only see 2 ears. But how many ears does this dog have? Does he just have 1? No, he has 2 ears. So each dog has 2 ears. So that means together, so we have 2, 4. So how many ears do we have altogether? 4, right? Because each dog has 2 ears. So he has 2 ears, and he has 2 ears. So together that's 4. We can count by 2s to figure that out. Alright, next picture. How many dogs do we have now? We have 1, 2, we have 4 dogs now, right? Where's I can't find my pen on this page. There it is. So we have 4 dogs altogether. How many ears do we have now, do you think? So this dog has 2. And then we're going to count by 2s, right? Each dog has 2 ears. So altogether we have 2, 4, 6, 8 dog ears, right? So we counted by twos. Right, last picture. How many dogs are there now? Oh my goodness, there are so many. So count up all the dogs. How many are there? There are 8 dogs. How many dog ears do you think there are? Remember, you're going to count by twos. 2 ears for each dog, so count by twos. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 dog ears. This whole math activity showed me that sometimes counting by twos is easier than counting by ones, right? Alright, so today, after you've done this, it's very, very important that you do your math quiz. Keep in mind tens and ones and dimes and pennies when you're doing it, okay? You need to look back at some of the videos to remind yourself you can do that. I hope you all have a great weekend. Bye.